In this video, I will describe the steps needed to perform descriptive statistics using Microsoft Excel. So follow the following steps. First, click on data and then select data analysis. If you don't have the data analysis tool here, so please return to the previous video that describe how to add the data analysis tool to Microsoft Excel. So click on data analysis and then select the descriptive statistics. Click OK, and then here you can select the input range. Click on the input range and then select the input range on the data including the title, and then here is the click on this page that the label is the first row, and then the output range. The output range here you can select the output range by click here and select an area in which the result will be displayed. Also you can select the new worksheet, display the results in new worksheet or new workbook, and then select the summary statistics and then click OK. So these are the statistical analysis of data in the form of descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics including mean, standard error, median, mean, standard deviation, variance, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and the count of data. So these are the steps through which you can perform the descriptive analysis of data using the Microsoft Excel.